security, they are continuing to shape the 77th United Nations meeting assembly that is currently underway there. Now we take you back to the corridors of justice, where Embattled Football Kenya Federation President Nick Mwendwa is expected to be charged afresh before a Kiambu Court after the Milimani High Court in Nairobi struck out his application seeking to stop any further prosecution. In a ruling by Justice Esther Maina, the court found that it lacked jurisdiction on the matter. Meanwhile, Busia Senator Kiambu has faulted the extension of the terms of office of the directors in the Office of Speakers in the National Assembly and Senate. Tata wants the court to compel the Parliamentary Service Commission to conduct fresh recruitment in accordance with the Constitution. Sarafina Robi with more details.
It is a short-lived relief for the FKF boss, Nick Mwendwa, after the High Court struck out his application, seeking to stop any fresh charges against him. This comes after the Director of Public Prosecution said they had fresh evidence to charge him, despite the initial withdrawal of his case by the state for lack of evidence. Mwendwa, who has been out on a 10 million bond, had been freed in a 38 million Kenyan shillings corruption case after the prosecution failed to present evidence on the matter. The DPP is now at liberty to proceed to charge him with fresh charges as anticipated earlier before the Kiambu Court. Meanwhile, Busia Senator and human rights activist Kiambu has filed a petition challenging the move by the 12 Parliament's Parliamentary Service Commission to convert the positions of Director, Speaker of Office of National Assembly and Director, Speaker's Office at the Senate from partisan contract terms tied to the tenure of the relevant Speaker to non-partisan terms of engagement on 5-year contracts, renewable ones. The Busia Senator says each speaker shall be free to appoint their personal assistants whose tenure expires with them. Tata now wants the court to quash the recruitment process used and compel the Parliamentary Service Commission to fill the positions of Director, Parliamentary Budget Office, Director Speaker's Office on the National Assembly and Senate, among others, in accordance with the law. Finally, 3 former senior officers of Tana River County Government appeared in a Malindi court and were charged with allegedly irregularly procuring services worth more than 3.6 million shillings. The 3 senior officers, former Water Chief Officer Mohammed Mahmoud Gurach, former Director of the Tana Water and Sanitation Company Tawasco, Guyo Makugo Madobe, and the company's technical manager Salim Juma Makorani, they pleaded not guilty to the charges before Malindi Chief Magistrate Elizabeth Osoe. Sarafina Robi for Prime Edition.